Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and I am your host, Galactica Transticker. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drum track for your melody. As you can see, I have already created the melody. If you want to know how to create a melody in GarageBand, the easy way, please see my other video on how to create a melody in GarageBand. Without further ado, let's show you how to do this. So, I'm going to play back the melody which I've created, and then I'm going to show you how to use GarageBand, which will automatically create a drum beat to this melody. So. So, what I've done here, I have created the melody. I've put a bass in as well. The bass, how I did that was I just created the melody here, and then I copied that track into that track, and then I open. If you click on it and you press E on your keyboard, this comes up, and this allows you to delete those top two notes and just leave the bass, and then you can actually move the bass where you want. So say if your bass is too high of an octave, you can move it down. So to do that, all you have to do is press Command A. That highlights that, and then you can drag it like that, you see. Yeah, so that's how you do that. So let's do this drum track. So first off, what you do, you press the little add button in the corner, select drummer, and press create. As you can see, it's created a drum track. So we like that, you see. So let's listen to that. So that's not too bad. In this area, you can choose the drummer, choose the genre of what the song is, but this is electronic, so I'm going to use either the big room or the modern house. Let's see what the modern house sounds like. You can change the complexity of the drum track by using this down here. So if you move it to say simple, you will only have like a simple beat. As you can see. Complex you can choose. You can control how many fills you want in the drum beat by using this control here, or the swing. So, but I'm going to choose, I like this one, the big room EDM, change drummer, and you can actually use this to control what you want. So you can also control the instruments that you want in the drum track by using this. So say if I wanted more syllables or shakers, I can add that into it. Also, you can also change the drum kit. If you choose, say the 808 flex, you can control your kick, your snare, clap, etc. there. But also, if you go to plugins here, you can actually add channel EQ or a compressor. So let's play that. So if I so that's what it sounds like at the moment. If I open the channel EQ, there are some presets in the channel EQ you can use to make your drum track sound a little bit more polished, as you can hear it. And you can also change it how you want it if you want. So down this end is your low frequencies up to your high frequencies. So your low frequencies will be like your kick drum or a bass, whereas your high frequencies will be like your syllables, etc. So as you can hear, you can hear more of the drum, the kick drum there. See, I widen that there. As you can hear more of the syllables now, and so forth. So that's worth having a little play with. But that's how you can create a drum track in GarageBand to a melody. I hope this has helped. Remember to subscribe and like the video, as it helps independent creators such as myself to do more of the videos that you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.